Alright, brothers and sisters, boys and goyles. This is right here at theplanetstoday.com. I'm actually on the mobile app because for some reason when you go to the desktop it won't let you change the days to check in advance. It's kind of a pain in the neck actually. It's kind of weird. So planetstoday.com with our Schumann active. I actually noticed that they shut the Schumann down on the Russian model. The Italian one is up and running, but they've turned the sensitivity down. But with all the activities and stuff going on with plasma and all that, we also need to keep in mind that alignments make a big difference. You've got Uranus, Earth, the Moon, our Sun or Sol, and Mars, and Haumea, which is one of our dwarf planets that's going around our sun. These are all planets. I mean, you got Makemake, Eris, Ceres, and Pluto. I mean, goodness gracious. So yeah, we've got a real serious straightforward alignment right here going. I mean, you can almost draw a perfect line through that, and then when you go to the fifth it actually lines up even better, and it's like, goodness gracious. But when you actually go into the planes where they, it's kind of like a dividing area where you have effect of it, it actually comes out like this, and Ceres is interacting with it. Mercury just misses it, but you still got Haumea, or Haumea, however you want to say it. I'm probably butchering it. So this also plays a big part on what's going on with us. Now, lots of us that know about 11/11, November 11th, being somewhat of a portal, if you will. There you go. There's 11/11. And again, we're still in lineup with Uranus, Earth, our Sun, and Mercury's in that plane, and so is Mars and Haumea. So yeah, we could have a lot of fun here. Going over here to Earthquakes and Volcanoes Today, discovery.com. This is where we're at right now. Plenty of earthquakes here going on. I couldn't tell you the total of it. Kind of funny, USGS only showed that there was 34 the last time I checked, and I'm like, there's a lot more than 34 going on. And USGS also doesn't even show La Palma, which to me is kind of insane. But let's go over here and take a peek at La Palma and see how many earthquakes we actually have registering just in La Palma itself. I'll almost guarantee you there's going to be a bunch. Let's get down to La Palma. Let's go take a look at her, folks. Now, I actually zoomed in here on La Palma, and look at this. It's not showing any earthquakes here in La Palma. I wonder, that doesn't even sound right, does it? Doesn't sound right to me. I mean, La Palma's going off. There's got to be several earthquakes. Why are they not registering it? That's pretty interesting. Volcano's going off here, and yet this is the main volcano right here. So why do we have that going off and there's no earthquakes, which is awkward. But you see this little break right here? This is what we're worried about breaking off. So that's something to pay attention for. You can go to Nick Thomas TV, I think it's Nick Thomas TV on YouTube, and he actually covers it very well. He's very well informed with La Palma. So I also recommend following him for updates on this, because if that bugger slides down, comes off, that's gonna be a problem. So that'll also the planets here being aligned like this. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. Tapping on the wrong one. The planets being aligned like they were will also cause another earthquake. We'll also activate our Earth for quakes, because you got all this electric magnetic connection line that we have here. Oh, we also happen to have a solar eclipse, a complete solar eclipse, ladies and gentlemen. And guess where it's going to be? Ooh, wait till I show you. Here you go, folks. When is the next solar eclipse in Antarctica? December 4th, 2021. Antarctica. What? Is that a coincidence? The moon is going to be completely at the South Pole in Antarctica, giving a full lunar eclipse in Antarctica. What? Now, if anybody knows about anything what's going on in Antarctica, I really hope you guys have coal in your butt cheeks, because you're gonna make a diamond. I'm gonna be clenched so tight on that day, like what in the world? This is going to be awesome. So yeah, Antarctica and Path of Totality. You can look it up. Oh, from the Smithsonian Journeys. Ooh, Smithsonian is putting it out there. Yeah, this is going to be interesting, folks. 1111 portal, 12/4 portal. Fun times. Fun times. So everybody, be safe and try to remember things that are happening. Go look at solar weather. Go look at space weather. Go look at the planetary alignments and see how things are lining up, and you'll kind of start having an understanding, or should I say, an understanding. All right, love you guys. Stay safe. Just for giggles, I decided to pull it up anyways. Sorry, and I find it almost hilarious that right here is where the eclipse is going to be. Complete solar eclipse in Antarctica, and right here is where the volcano in Antarctica is erupting. No joke. Watch this. Here we go. Interactive map. Sorry, still on this. We got it back up. Looks pretty close to me, folks. Oh, not this one. You got to scroll over to find it. Oh, no. Excuse me. I was wrong. I apologize. It's right here. So it's going to miss it. Dang it. I thought it lined up. I remember seeing the little cove in here and I thought it was the other one. My apologies, folks. But either way, we've got a good look at where it's going to be at. It's going to be right here. So the volcano is actually erupting over here. But either way, it's kind of interesting. It's going to pull it. We're going to have some kind of activity. Expect something to go on that day. That's going to be fun. Love you guys. Stay safe.